Okay, so I know I'm new here, but I think a lot of people that have lived in the state a long time agree with me. Say, whatever's coming our way this weekend, it's some serious stuff.
It's serious. Has the potential to be dangerous, Jason, and you've got the track on all this for us.
Yeah, exactly. And the National Weather Service called this, a system that we only see once in about every decade, which is crazy to think about with the storm that we had earlier this week. You can see it taking shape right now on the western edge of the state. We've got more snow working its way in from the south. You can see as far as how expansive this system is, that's about it for the time being. But we're going to definitely start to drag in that snow as we head into the next 6 hours or so. And again, we've got that blizzard warning in place, but we are far from alone with winter impacts from this system. You can see winter storm warnings all up into the Great Lakes, even up on the north shore of Minnesota. They've got a winter storm warning, and then the cold wind chill warnings in place too, which I'll get to in a second here. But for now, we are not seeing anything fall in the state. You can see it's kind of outlining the state with where we sit at the moment. Winds have not gotten too crazy either. Those are really going to start to ramp up tonight, I'd say overnight, but much of the rest of the day, they won't be too bad. Still, though, there's a stiff wind chill out there. Wind chills to the northwest, double digits for Sioux City, 6 below for Algona, as well as Marshalltown. Otherwise, a lot of us hanging out in the single digits. So we've got chances for that snow really early tomorrow morning. You can see a robust line of snow that's working its way northward from Missouri by 3 o'clock in the morning. This is when we're expecting some of our heaviest snow to fall. Keep your eye on these wind values too. These are going to really start to jump up. By 9 a.m. though, most of us across the state have been encompassed by this snow. And as that snow departs 5 p.m., look at the winds. We're sitting with gusts of 40 to 45 miles per hour. With how this snow will be, a little bit drier and a little bit lighter, this is going to blow around like crazy. So yes, we're going to see it pile up. We've got the chance to get 9, maybe 10 inches. It's even going to be hard to measure with how much this is going to be blowing around. Think road conditions when you think about that, because even after this is done falling, those roads are going to be treacherous because that snow is just going to blow right back on them. So we keep the strong winds even as we head in towards Saturday. That could still lead to some blowing snow. Winds finally start to taper back as we head into Sunday. But again, with the sheer volume we have of snow, you're going to want to give those plows some time to get a handle on this too. So it could take longer than we saw with our system earlier this week because there's just plain more snow across the whole state, and we've got that wind to deal with. 9 to 12 inches possible across this area in dark pink. That stretches all the way from Omaha upwards past Ames, east towards Davenport, Dubuque area, all the way down towards Lamoni. It does taper back some as you get further to the north, but I really can't stress enough. It doesn't matter if you get 6 inches or a foot. This is going to feel very similar because of the blowing snow and the drifting snow that we're going to have. Again, may even be hard to measure at times because of that. So really impactful snow. That blizzard warning in place from 10 a.m. all the way 10 a.m. Friday all the way until 6 a.m. on Saturday. And again, we've got a winter storm warning that starts tonight at 9 p.m. That's going to go through that 10 a.m. on Friday. So don't think that the worst of the weather starts at 10 a.m. Friday, because we've got some that we're going to be in for even as we head in tonight into the overnight. So we're watching that snow make its way in right now. Again, roads aren't bad. We're not seeing it fall in the state just yet, but it will eventually as we head into the early Friday morning hours. That's going to lead to some very heavy snow. And once the winds pick up again, blowing and drifting snow, which is going to mean really slick conditions out there. Then we look behind this system. If the snow and the blizzard's not enough, how about wind chills in the 20s below Saturday morning, 30s below Sunday morning, and yes, even 40s below Monday morning. So as you head out to caucus, wear as thick of layers as you can because it is going to be dangerously cold out there. And we'll have that cold for a few days here. Temperatures do finally warm back up. We're close to 20 degrees by the middle of next week.